टैक्सेशन, टैक्स के ऊपर कौन से आर्टिकल में इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में टैक्स के बारे में बोला जाता है? आर्टिकल 265. विच आर्टिकल डील्स विद द फाइनेंस कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया? आर्टिकल 280. टैक्सेशन पावर्स आर डिवाइडेड बिटवीन सेंटर एंड स्टेट्स अंडर विच schedule ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? 7th schedule. Income tax in India is progressive tax. The authority for making recommendation distribution of tax revenues between center and the state lies फाइनेंस कमीशन. डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस में क्या आ जाता है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ डायरेक्ट टैक्स? कौन सा डायरेक्ट टैक्स नहीं है? जीएसटी. विच बॉडी एडमिनिस्टर्स डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस इन इंडिया? सीबीटी. कैपिटल गेन्स टैक्स इज एप्लीकेबल ऑन सेल ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. What is the current status of wealth tax in India? Abolished in 2015. Corporate tax rate for new manufacturing companies as a financial year 2023-24 के हिसाब से क्या था? 15%. Which year was GST implemented in India? 2017. GST lived on supply of goods and services. Which of the following items is not under GST? Alcohol. The constitutional body formed for GST governance, GST Council. GST is a type of value-added tax. Which body is responsible for indirect tax administration in India? CBIC. Which recent scheme promotes faceless income tax assessment, transparent taxation? The Kelkar Committee 2002 was related to tax reform. Which of the following taxes have been completely abolished in India? Dividend distribution tax. The purpose of project Insight by CBT, corrupt tax invasion using data analytics. Which of the following is shared between center and states? Income tax. Which share of net proceeds taxes for recommendation of states? 15th Finance Commission 41%. IGST lived on interstate supply. Revenue from IGST shared between center and state. GST compensation to state is provided for how many years? 5 years. Which of the following is an example of regressive tax? GST. As per data, India's tax to GDP ratio is closest to 12%. The direct tax to GDP ratio in India has improved primarily due to digital tax enforcement. The body responsible for dispute resolution under GST tax, GST Dispute Redressal Committee. The income tax slab for individual under the old regime starts from